Okay, so that's the end of today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this journal with me and organizing my stationery. I did want to try to organize my stationery a little bit better. I've had this for ever since probably what, 2016. I got this off of Wish back in 2016, something like that. And as you can tell, it's old. The zipper don't work no more. Some of these little pockets are torn. This little pocket is torn, probably because I used to stuff it quite a bit, but it's just easier to see my stationery this way. I can see everything. I did have everything all in this little pouch, which I still can see, but not everything in there. So I'm gonna use this pouch for something else, maybe as a pocket in the back of my journal. Maybe that won't look right. Yeah, it bulks up too much, but I did add this little craft folder pocket back here as well to carry some extra stationery. But yeah, and then I got this one on Amazon last year. Don't know if it's still available, the exact same one that I have, but yeah, I really love these. They're for passport travel. They're passport travel cases or whatever, but they're really good to store your stationery. I was about to zip this one up. They're really good to store your stationery in as well, especially if you are traveling. You can use that to take your stationery in, or if you just want to take that in your journal with you, if you're going somewhere, you could totally do that. But yeah, I really enjoy those little pouches. They keep my bag organized, and I'll be able to pull these out and see everything, see my stationery just a little bit better. So make sure to give this video a like, comment, and subscribe to see future videos from me. But that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.